Hey guys, we have a question based on 3D dimensional. This is 3D diagram. The figure below shows a right pyramid VABCD with a square base of 9 centimeter. VA is equals to VB, V to A, V to B, V to C, V to D. They are equivalent to 12 centimeter. Those slant lengths. Then they talk of this, they've said it is a square thing. Meaning if it's a square thing, then if here is 6, means here is also 6, here is also 6, here is also 6. How? A square is something with a similar length. So they want the height of the pyramid. Pyramid. The height, the vertical height. So means this thing will just subtend it, come to the middle there. So they want the one that it attaches at this point here to up here. Yeah. I don't know whether you're thinking what I'm thinking, that we can divide this thing, we can extrapolate. You see this square, we can divide the square to form diagonals that way, and then we also do this. So we'll have our triangle, our new triangle will be formed here. Because we are bisecting this point, it will form 90 degrees. So 90 degrees means we form 90 degrees at this point there. Yes. Now, for us to continue, like for us to get to B, let me put here to be O. The center there to be O. Yes. So for there to be O, then I will have to look at the diagonal of this square using Pythagoras theorem rule. Yeah. To get AC. So I will say, therefore, I can extrapolate it so that I have the first diagram that I can have, I can say that I can have AC is something of that. (90 degrees). So you have A, that is point A, that is point C, that longer side, yeah. And then this is B. So here you have 6, you also have 6 based on from this diagram. So this point, the center here is where I'm putting O. What I've done here, I have just removed, I have cut that triangle from the square. So I can get AC. How do we get AC? Using Pythagoras theorem rule, we say that AC squared is equals to, that is I put in the square, is equals to 6 squared plus 6 squared. Oh my god, this thing is fine. That is 36 plus 36 plus 36. You get your answer as 72. But what we wanted was AC. Look at AC, meaning that we are going to get the square root of that. AC. AC there. So, AC, I can leave the answer at that point, or I can press my calculator that I bought using my own money. 72 becomes 8.45. 8.485. 485. 8.485 centimeter. That is A to C. This is supposed to be 6 marks, not 3 marks. Not of work. Remember, the question is the height. We are getting AC so that we can divide O We can get OC and we use with the longer part, because this thing is forming 90 degrees at that point there. Therefore, from there we say that OC, yeah, we say OC, O to C is half of AC, half AC. That is half times whatever you found, 8, 4, 8, 5. That becomes 8 points. This is 8 points. If you can see it, let me put it there so that you see it. 8, 8, 3, 4, 8, 5 divided by 2. That becomes 4, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3 centimeter. This is not the answer. This is just AOC. Remember, this OC here leaves that point. That OC will leave that point and then go to where V is. And the question was vertical, or rather the height of the pyramid. Yes. So that is what OC is. So we know here, this is V. At this point here we have V. In this case, we are forming 90 degrees. We found the OC. This is O to C. O is 4 point something, 4.243. We are forming 90 degrees here, and we also have this point VC from the term here. VC is equal to 12. Using Pythagoras theorem rule, we can get the height. As simple as that. So I say therefore, VO, the one they want, VO squared is equals to VO is equals to 12 squared minus OC 4.243, because that is the longest side. Therefore, we'll have 144 minus 4.243 squared. You get the answer there as 18. Yes, it becomes 18. 18. So meaning that the VO, the vertical length there will becomes VO will become 144 minus 180. I say 144 minus 18, you get 126. So you get the square root of 126, which is equals to VO, which can also be found using the calculator that you have. The square root of VO becomes 11.2245. 11.225. But they instructed us to write 2 decimal place. So 2 decimal place, it becomes 11.25 centimeter. No, it is not 5, it is 11.23 centimeter, because you are rounding off this one here. When you round it off, so look at the steps. We wanted the height. This is a square, so square will divide into diagonals. Once you divide the square using Pythagoras theorem rule, you get the height, you get that diagonal. Then diagonal you divide by 2. That's what I'm doing here. Then from getting the diagonal and I have this side, I can get the vertical height. It is something that is attaching, yeah, something that is attaching the base. Try to fold a book, you will see. So we found the vertical height there to be 11.23 centimeter, and that can be even 5 to 6 marks. I don't know. Let's go to the next question. The next question, we want the angle between. Yes, we want the angle between your drawings. The angle between. So remember we said that height is 11 point. I can move the diagram doing this. You will just work with it the way it is, provided you will understand. So we say that VO, which is the vertical height, this one here, the answer to this our case, we've said it is 11.23. That is the vertical height. Checking. So we want the angle between VAD and VBC. VAD, and VBC. So that is very, very, very simple. You must show it within the drawings. VAD and VBC. Okay. So that one is very, very simple. We found our VO. This is where O is. Yes, VO. You know the length there. So VABC. So it means the angle there that it is making is, this is the angle that we want. That angle there. Because VAD, if you look at the diagram, VAD and VBC. So that angle there must attach the side of V. It also must attach the side of C. So that is the angle here. This is the angle that we want. That is the angle that we want. No. This here, it will form 90 degrees. Yeah, it will form 90 degrees. That will form 90 degrees. So the remaining one, the one that it is making with the same point there. Let me restart. Let me start it again so that yeah. So the question wants the VAD. Look at VAD. VAD. So that is at that point there. And then VBC. VBC. So you have to draw a line here to bisect that center. Then once you bisect center, that angle must also coincides with this point where it's attaching. That. Remember, this one is not diagonal now. It's half of 6. So meaning here we'll have the base here will have 3. So if that is 3, then VO was 11.23. That one calculated up there. So this angle here is what I want. That is what they want. The angle between. So we use SOHCAHTOA thing to get that angle. SOHCAHTOA. Soccer. So in that case there, we agreed earlier on that we need to use Socator 10. Socator. If you look at this, we have, this is 90 degrees, forming 90 at that point. So we have opposite and adjacent. We use tan. So we say tan, tan, yeah? Say tan theta is equals to, is equivalent to tan. We have two ways here. Yeah, remember V is constant, so it means that angle there must be at where the position V is. Yeah, VAD, VBC. So it is standing at that. So this is the angle that we want. We can look at this and then we get from 180, or we can look at it directly. So opposite of that becomes 3, while adjacent of that becomes 11.23. Therefore, theta will be equivalent to tan inverse. You press that one using your own calculator. 3 divided by 11.23. So tan inverse of this, you can just press that one using calculator. Press that, the first thing you do, you press 3, divide by 11.23, and then you say tan inverse answer. So that angle there is supposed to be 14.9. The angle there is supposed to be 14.957 degrees. So, but what, look at this. We wanted VAD, VAD. Look at that angle. It means that we must also include the other one that is remaining that side. So we multiply that by 2 because we only found 1. So if you multiply that by 2, we will say 14.957 times 2. That becomes 29.9. 14, that is 29.914 degrees. Then you get your 10 marks for free. Yeah, get your 10 marks for free. Thank you.